Up next, guys, we've got a slow cooker recipe that's sure to be at the top of your list. So come right back for my pork belly tacos with a Vietnamese twist. Woo! Keep it paleo. Okay guys, pork belly, right here it's sliced maybe an inch and a quarter thick. I'm gonna drop this into a bowl. And then I've got some of my Chichaco taco mix. Dump that on there. Toss this up nicely. Make sure it coats fully. Drop this into our slow cooker. Then we're gonna add apple cider vinegar and some water. Just like that. We're gonna hit this on low for 6 hours. All right guys, it's a new day. I got a fresh new shirt on and we're gonna make a quick pickle. This is gonna go on top of our pork belly. The pork belly's done. We'll show you how to handle that in a minute. But first, I've got some onions, julienne, carrots kind of shredded or julienne, a little bit of minced garlic, and then I'm gonna show you how to work with the jalapeno. Boom. So we're gonna cut it in half, and then I'll start here and just seed this. This will help control the heat, but provide some heat and give us a nice green color to our pickle. But basically these are all the same shape, right? That julienne or shredded shape. Then we'll take some vinegar. Got red wine vinegar, honey, and then I'm gonna throw my garlic in there and salt. We'll whisk this up. And you want to do this maybe an hour before you're going to eat the pork belly, or the hour before you're going to serve it. This isn't something you'd want to do a day ahead of time, because the vinegar will kind of go too far, soften the veggies too much. The heat from the jalapeno would probably be too strong. So that's why we're calling it the quick pickle. There we go. Get our veggies in there. Okay. There we go, guys. We're gonna let that rest while we work with our pork belly. All right, guys, the pork belly is done. I'll show you here. It looks like a big thick slice of bacon, but it pulls apart pretty easily, right? So we're going for that. Little slices like that. Then we're gonna sear this baby off, give it a little more flavor. Right now, I'm just gonna do 3 pieces, 3 tacos, and those are about the right size. As far as the cooking agent goes, we're just gonna use the fat that's already in here. I'm not gonna use any oil, butter, any of that stuff. Just set this. There we go. A good hot pan. Now while it's searing here, we can start to set our plate. I'm gonna find three leaves of green leaf lettuce, I guess we'd say. I'll give these babies a quick turn. Oh yeah. All right, then we're pretty much ready to plate. We've got our hoisin, right? We've already seen the recipe for that. Our pickle, lettuce base, so let's make this baby happen. There we have it, guys. It's our paleo pork belly banh mi. Pretty simple. What I would do is take this now and portion it out into containers. You can freeze it or just eat it within a couple days. So remember, whenever we're using the slow cooker, it's not gourmet, it just tastes that way. Get in the kitchen, give this one a try, and at every opportunity, do your best to keep it paleo.